And so what I was curious about is, I know that you work with a lot of people from all generations, let's say, maybe people who have run technology companies 20, 30, even 40 years. What would you say from where you sit is maybe the thing that people need to unlearn, maybe like an old mindset that doesn't work anymore in 2026?
I think there's this existing paradigm way of thinking where it's, I have a problem, I'm gonna go buy a tool. I'm gonna go buy a solution and it should fix my problem. But guess what? It's kind of like in the kitchen. I just bought a stove. I still need to know how to cook. We're buying seats, we're buying tools, and now we got to bring in, 3 or 4 other consulting agencies just to implement it, to teach our people how to use it. And now we're in the whole 2, 3x what we originally started with to have this solution. It was supposed to be out of the box.
I read something just the other day about that where it was talking about that old SaaS model, and if you just kind of look at the receipt, most leaders think, okay, I just need to buy these licenses for this software. But then not only do you have the cost of the license, but then it's like, first of all, I have to pay the salary of the people who are going to push the buttons in my organization. I've got to pay the trainers to train them, all the IT support, all the upgrades and things. So the cost, the number I saw was like, for every dollar you spend on software, it's like $1.50 on all the extra stuff.
Can you instead skip the middleman and you can just go right to the outcome? Can I just hire a chef that's going to cook the meal for me? To go back to the kitchen analogy. So I think that's a paradigm shift that we're starting to see. Rather than software as a service, you go to service as software. So you want to flip it on its head, where you're buying that outcome and going directly to that outcome to see ROI, rather than buying the tool to hopefully see ROI once your people have learned to adopt it.